Today we are going to talk about the Uber She 2026 internship. These are for the students who are going to be pass out in 2028 and talking about its eligibility criteria. So students from all of the background are eligible, being it a first generation college student, also the student from low social economic background are also invited to participate in this, and students from all of the races, gender and sexuality ages are eligible for this. And talking about the eligibility criteria, you are eligible to apply if you graduate in 2028 and you may be in your third year or second year. Together with, you should apply from your official college ID. So whatever is your official email ID of your college, it's compulsory to apply via that. Together with, and when you are going to give the test of this, means the OA round, then you should use the same email ID. And as this mentioned, this is for the second and third year students who are enrolled in engineering program. And together with, and this application would invite you to participate in the online screening test, uh, and on successfully clearing the test you will be sent a follow-up email with the next step. And yeah, that's all. Let's start filling the application. Just like my name is Nitu and I will write Nitu over here. Then you have to write your full name. So as I don't have surname, I will write Nitu dot. Next one is what used to pronounce you. So for me, she and her, and for boys it would be he and him, together with the email ID. So you have to write your college email ID. I will write it later. Then you can write your phone number over here. I'm just writing for the demo purpose. And you can write your college name here, and then you can mention your degree, like you will be in BTech or you may be in integrated dual degree. Together with, mention your specialization, like for me it's computer science. And second one is your graduation. It's compulsory for 2028 pass out students only. And talking about the current CGPA, so whatever you have CGPA you can write it over here. So I'm writing my CGPA over here, and please choose all of the options. So who are you? So I am a female engineering student, and I belong to and second option is for I am the engineering student belonging to social economical weak background. So I'm not the one, so I will not go for this. If you are, then you can tick the option. And then I am an engineering student who mainly identify as the part of LGBTIA plus community. So if you are, then you can just go for this option. And fourth one is I am an engineering student who may identify with the kind of disability. If you have, then you can just go and tick for that. And if none of these will be for you, then you can just go for the not applicable. And yeah, that is all. Then if you identify with any kind of disability, please share. So you can share if you have any disability, and if you don't have, then you can just go for this option. And next would be, uh, would you need any assistant in taking online assessment? So yes, no, we don't need any assistant. And if you need, then you can just go for it. Click on the yes option. The next one is, if your response is to be previous yes, then please specify. Write the details, what kind of assistant you need to help with your assessment. Then you can go and upload your resume, like yeah. Then I consent, and then register yourself. Let me write my college name and then my email address. Then you can go for the register process. Yeah, here successfully you have applied for the application of Uber, and they will get in touch with you soon, and you have to keep your eye on the email. And yeah, thank you so much.